Let's dive into division. 488 divided by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning with us, hit that subscribe button and join the Let's Stud family. We've got tons of exciting math adventures waiting for you. Alright, let's start our big division adventure. We're going to use the first digit of 488, which is 4. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's check 2 times 2 is 4, perfect. Now we subtract 4 minus 4 equals 0. We've got no remainder here. Woohoo, you're doing amazing, that's the first part done. Let's move on and see what happens next. Ready for the next step, let's keep going. We bring down the next digit from 488, which is 8. Now we have 8. How many times does 2 go into 8? It goes in 4 times. Let's multiply to be sure. 4 times 2 is 8, exactly. Subtracting now, 8 minus 8 equals 0. Another 0 remainder, fantastic. You're a math superstar, keep up this awesome energy. We're almost there, just one more digit to go. Last step, you've got this. We bring down the final digit, another 8. Our number is 8. How many times does 2 fit into 8? It's 4 times. Checking our work, 4 times 2 equals 8, spot on. Subtracting, 8 minus 8 is 0. We finished with no remainder. Incredible job, you solved the whole problem. We've reached the end of our division journey, you did it. So we discovered that 488 divided by 2 equals 244. Great job, everyone! We conquered 488 divided by 2 using the steps of long division. Remember, every problem is a chance to practice and become even stronger mathematicians. That's all for today, super students. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.